Umurebe wa TV sto murunzi nakutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha zaba ibiri zeciro neshaha eyamakuru gitagacencwire kandi rizuba nizuba ry'urwakana 2012 ebyokwezi kwa kabiri umwaka ogwe2026 amakuru agacencwire orukuzaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa bit ntaga calculate rombwijwire ndeka mbanze nkoreke bikure bija bigebembire rero nabwanyuma tuija kureba amakuru agacencwire rombwijwire Kireki Major General Francis Tachirwa yazi ko mu kitinisa yasimwa habwo ko rihanga n'umutima gumwe Mbera mbi yobohereza harimbara Regional Referral Hospital karishorisho wa government aragira bashaka kucondoza ubwa
Some people are sleeping on the floor.
State Minister w'ebigwerezo mu ihanga yasima ba muziri mu Charity UK abwo kwatera kw'empunjo mu Uganda
because the number of refugees are increasing every day.
Ntongera kutanjera omakuru gitagacencwire kandi oruga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa enkuyanja y'abantu okurega eshonda zona ezihanga bayeshuka omuchare cha Sayuni omuri Rutuma Kasharo mu district yambara okushendekereza omubiri gwa Major General Francis Tachirwa akafa ahizoba ry'urwa mukaga kandi abire ariyo muhwezi w'umudumizi w'amahega hitaka
okuzika Major General Francis Tachirwa kwayebemberwa ihe rya UPDF kandi umugenzi yasimwa bwo gukorera UPDF no bwesugwa
intwaro mushaka kuganizinga aberi bazibagenzi banje nareba honorable
sima mukama haba magaraga tachi abo kuba akamukuza ari umwana murungi tiyagira bizubye kuteganisa abazeire yaragaho yakura yahinduka umusheija yahura tata nabo umusheija yayitongora yazomahe and in the army in his career there he really has been very excellent, I think, at his whatever he was doing.
I was so lucky. I saw Dad for a very long time compared to all of you. I talk with the quantum reception. Yeah. How do you have any bit of humanity? Yeah? I have spent weeks and I saw my dad like a month ago. At least when you see the
Mukuru wa Mahe General Muhozi Kainerugaba yajwecerwa muwezi we Lieutenant General Sam Okding kandi yashoma ubutumwa bwe obwaba burimo kusima umugenzi Tachirwa ahubwo ko rihanga no mutima gumwe.
We grew together. We trained together, we fought together. Over the years, Major General Francis Tachirwa underwent various and rose through various courses and rose through the ranks, serving in various command and leadership positions in the Uganda People's Defense Forces.
Family, have you heard? We have got it and got that.
has handed over us that legacy of integrity, of courage, of hard work, working with excellence. Imwana mjalangu ajiye kufaiti wendu wala nele viona. Omsheja kakozile, akakora karara na kora kasheja na kora. Ngeno vilo kubishire, mkamanga King David okuyabele. When he had served his purpose in his generation, he rested in glory. I can guarantee. Avoko my ankabela domro kwa legenda kakora. Hey.
On behalf of the Uganda Police Force and on my own behalf, I extend our deepest sympathies to the family, the UPDF fraternity, and the country at large.
Iwe omwana n'ogumanya ukamuti Yesu Kristo yamugarukamo ati ninye muhanda n'amazima n'amagara karoli kwizalishe bona atarabiri murinye.
Major General Francis Tachirwa akurire bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe omahega UPDF kandogu akabaho n'umudumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri ya Makenke Barracks muri Mbarara yabaho n'umujwecerwa w'amahe omwishengero rya Uganda kandi haferire abira ryo muwezi wo mudumizi w'amahe agaruka Rwanda hansi ningashi Deputy Commander of UPDF Land Force. Major General Francis Tachirwa akazarwe biro mushanjo ku 11 Rwanda nkagana 5 kandi ogwa ferira myaka nkagana gumoyo kuru ari kwitondwara ya pressure. Ogu abwa ranka ya Major General ya feraho iheri ya UPDF ya muterenizingi 13 nkakamanyiso ku MHT sano ku musiburo mbusinje the Evans taremwa umuraka shari Mbarara.
Evans Taremwa kandi mukama umugenzi amuhereza icyumuro curungi twagaruka mu rurembo rwambara karishorisho wa government umuramuzi Aisha Naruze atandikira kucondoza ahambera eryahirwaro eryambara regional referral bwanyuma yo kubatayayira akashanga ibintu byona bishobere ogu ashangira abarwire batarukubafaho kandi na nebyoma ebyaguzirwe government ashanjire batarukubakozesa.
Ortaya yorwa karishorisho wa government aharimba regional referral hospital bireho kitararine kandi abashaho bekanjiro kureba karishorisho nabagwamu batari kukimanya ogwa birashendekerezibwa abakozi be abarumwa barukora office zambara na Kampala kandi babandize bagiraho urukiko rw'akeherero nabwanyuma babuganaho bakuru ba district ya Mbarara City na Mbarara district nabwanyuma bagira hirwa rero kuri ryambara kandi ababecwiremwe bicweka bamwe baza kurambura za ward abandi bazoma office agandi uwo muramuzi Naruze no rukwebembera office ya Mbarara basigire no babuze buzo mukuru w'irwareri Dr. Deus Twesige bemahabuze bibuzibwe Dr. Twesige no kushangangwe byome biruma x-ray na CT scan ebyabahirwe government bikire bisya betarukora.
We also identified that there is a brand new x-ray machine, it's digital, which we also that one was delivered here made last year. Unfortunately, according to the person responsible to manage or operate that machine, it says that at the time it was delivered to this hospital, its printer had expired films. Therefore, they cannot use it. All they do is to do the x-ray on the patient, and then they ask patients to take pictures of the x-ray from the screen of their computer using the patient's phone. Okay, so that is what the patients use to either take outside to the consultants or bring through to the doctors for purposes of getting treatment.
Oguna bwabuzi bwa sente zirukushashurwa barwira barukwenda obuhereza bw'ecyoma cha MRI ekiro kuceberi gufari umugongo umubinde biteganise IGG no kushanga ngo abarwire no barara hero kandi abandi no batungira obujanjabi ahansi y'ebitanda.
We identified that some patients are actually admitted under the beds of other patients. It's unbelievable. There's a patient at the top, and then under the bed there is also another patient that is admitted. We have had a discussion with the director of the hospital, and it has been agreed that at least a tent is going to be right out there, to at least accommodate some of the people who do not have beds in the designated wards.
Omukwetonganaho Dr. Twesi yagizire ngu naija kutereeza ebyo byona ebimubuuzibwe.
There is a demand, people want an X-ray. Our monitor that came with it cannot work, it came when it was faulty. The films that came, they are expired. They don't even print. When you take, they don't take anything, they don't come out. That's why we are fumbling now with our smartphones, so that at least we can provide service.
Aha nshonga y'abarwire okurara hansi y'ebitanda Dr. Kishoboreireho ati.
This hospital, its bed capacity is 270, but the physical beds are 554. We still admit under the tent, we are admitting on a veranda. Actually, it is good that this kind of team is here, maybe in the future, to add a voice on this. We are overwhelmed.
Hariho n'abarwire abashangirwa heru bitu bagambire IGG ebi barukuraba mwahirwa reri.
Last week.
Bajyana batugamba munye sente emitwaro 7 izo kuntwara musikari. Twasasubya wansawo.
Wali. Abanye omuntu gwe wa sente.
Bwe maraba mutegiya nesimanyiri nyariye. Nitwawe emitwaro 7. Nebadama ne batukake emitwaro 7 ne bagamba bagenda tuwa CD. Tujitwara wabweru. Tujitwara wabweru emitwaro 7. Nebadama ne batusasa sente endala.
Eno CD yali kochi.
Yarwara ogunde no spinal cord. Ayinawo ekizimba. Kati nibagamba ndete sente. Kati wade tuliyawo ngali yawo musajiko nibagamba amumanyi. Mulwadde omutugenda musobo. Tenga bamaze kuba sente ezo batusindika murago.
IGG asugire yaragira mukuru w'irwariro kutaho ebihandiiko by'abakozi bona barukurara omwirwariro Gashakwa Edison Kinene.
Webale Edson Kinene twagumiza munamakuru State Minister owebigwerezi na n'impunji Lilian Abba yabuganaho abahangu okuruga omumuziri mu Charity UK kandi bataho emiringo na n'enkwatanisa okubara hwere impunji na district sezirukuturwa mu impunji orukiiko uru rwaba a office y'enganzi yihanga omuri Kampala kandi rwaba rugenderire okunyweza enkwatanisa omubuhereza obuhweze impunji na n'abantu abarukutura nabo.
State Minister webgwerezi n'enshonga z'empunji Lilian Abel yasima ba Muslim Charity UK ahabukwehayo bakagumiza muno bahwere empunji n'abanya-Uganda abarukutura n'empunji omu districts ez'empunji zirukuturamu. Abel najangu baganira ha nshonga z'ebyamagara ebyenyegesa n'ezindi nshonga byona ebigenderire okwera empunji n'abanya-Uganda.
Thank you very much.
And we were looking at avenues on how we can get more support from the Muslim charity organization. They are really one of the organizations that do quite a lot in this country. They have supported us with hospitals, they have supported us with equipment, they have given money to the refugees to start small businesses to be self-resilient and sustain themselves.
Abel yashaba abanya-Uganda okweyongera kushagika empunji na communities ahizirukutura.
And I really want to call upon other donors. This is a point that you need to come out to support government of Uganda, to support refugee response, because the number of refugees are increasing every day. However, the funding keeps on decreasing, and we all know that we can't do much without funding. So we need as many of the Uganda donors to also come on board. It's not about international donors only.
Abel yayanjura entebeekanisa za government okutandika endijo nkambu y'empunji omu district ya Kitugumu okukyendeza omwijurrano oguri omu nkambi eziroho bwa hati.
We are having quite a number of influx of refugees, and Lamore camp is getting smaller. So in our discussions we agreed that we will have another camp established in Kitgum, which is the bordering district to Lamore. But of course Kitgum district has already been hosting refugees before, and quite a number of them are already residing in Kitgum.
Irfan Rajput owa Muslim Charity UK yajanga bamana bagatira mu kuhereza obuhweze empunji no kuchendeza sente zirukoresebwa no kwempunji zona zihwerwe.
That the institutions are having no money, the government is cutting off. But on the other hand, the charities, their fund is increased. So I tell them it's very logical because it's a people-to-people sport.
Obwahati Uganda neturwa empunji rukwingana miliyoni 1.86 n'aba barukuronda obuturo emitwaro 45 kandi nirihanga rukuturwa empunji nyingi ahakirwa cha Africa. Gashakwa Thomas Tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas Tumwebaze. Abantu 168 nibo batungire obujanja bwabusha ahirwaro eryawe komerehere center omu district ya Chegegwa deriga na 20 bo bagabishagama eki chikozurwe omu Fort Portal Diocese chikozurwe bu Fort Portal Diocese eyegisira hansi yona ahabwe nkaturuka okwijuka ekiro cy'abarwire.
Omukoro gukwijuka ekiro cy'abarwire gutandikire n'ekitambo kya misa kyebembirwe Bishop wa Fort Portal Diocese Robert Muhirwa ohigira abantu ko babembabazi aha barwire. Ekireki kikatongozibwaho Papa Paulo wa kabiri omwaka gwa 1992 okwijuka abarwire.
Foishe omutima gw'okutafaho baitu tuwoleke embabazi ntayo obwire bwaitu ntayo ensimbi zaitu kurora ngu turubata runtigana hamu n'abarwaire abo kwani basasa omu miringo etariemu.
Twine programu y'okubongera abarwaire nka parish turubata tukahalika baitaro tusanga embeera embe muno mu maka gaitu okubantu ba Mukama kiningonza kigenda halitu twena okurolera abagenzi baitu abarwaire omiringo yabo yona nkokubali.
Christine Mbabazi omushawa hirwarire ryawe komere health center ya Kashatu nagira ngo abantu binje abatungira obujanja babire bine ndwara z'ebicweka by'enshoni otireho mushwija gwensiri.
Mbaire ni ndwara endwaire ezamani muno zibaire muno mu bakazi. Abakazi batungire endwaire nyingi muno like vaginal candidiasis, UTIs, malaria naye bayiremo yamani, then habaho na skin diseases.
Bishop bwanyuma arambwira abarwire obwa rukubashabira kandi babebembeze bahigira abantu kwekebeza bucerikare otireho no kuryaje oteberwe no kuba bayonjo.
Kushabira abarwire n'ikikuru bito kwerinda bukuru oburwire n'ikikuru munonga. Twerinda oburwire tukuma obuyonjo omumaka gaitu twerinda oburwire tukurya kurungi.
Alima abarwaire abukuru nibarubata kyoka ine bitekerezo ine bizibu ine stress baitara abantu abandamya kwino oburwaire kandi osokira na muno ko oburwaire bwokwehumuzaho okarestingaho ne ukatunga obugabe okegoza byone birokora.
Abatungira obujanja bebasimire Fort Portal Diocese ahabwo kujaguriza kirekyo mu Chegegwa.
Nire ni nshasho munda dufitana karomanda ndeno hati kumsiano bampo janga hati nakorana mpo kansima wasibyo bitanda bikuru kurabazitanda letakarukuruzi simo kurukoro desire kama mwezi.
Obwa hatuwe komire health center ya Kashatu etandikireho n'ehururu yo kugura icyuma cya scan. Gashakwa Philip Murangira.
Philip Murangira umurengwi tuwativeste umurunzi ni nkusima aho ruturebera hona kandi webarena no kutorana kureba TV West studio mu makuru agacenshire konka naza kubanza mvomure ukace ningaruka n'amakuru agandi.
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
agarukurataho okurinda eby'obuhangwa twakureetera orukoosi y'amakara arikukozesa tekinoloji y'omuri kasese
kiri okukushiisha obuhangwa.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukuhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai y'amate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amashemererwa minji nitutabarusiye abantu mwena umwaka musya ogwe2026 kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguni tukinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abujona bishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwerache Kenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka ogutuherize ogwe2025 okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itano
noro n'omwanya gw'obuhumuro ogurimo businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel nitho buraro bwo murembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokoramo amagenyi agaburikika oine business meeting reta abantu bawe om conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanse ebyokurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimo ecyo kunywe cyekika cyona ecyo rukwenda ebyo kwerinda byitu bicebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 0 50 na mukaga ashatu na mukaga tusanje asungine n'akatare kakatozo akashozi kabiharwe omuri Mbarara City.
Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding eri kushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa batendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimwo mu mashomero agari kwijagebembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese. Bumbeire Secondary School ehandikise na ministry yebyo bwegese bine UNEB center number emyanya kiriho okurwa munsi niya yo kubanza okwiko munsi niya yakana 2026 kumanye biri kukiraho tera note mushanje 2 ashatu na mwenda 21 23 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning.
Manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo nishara keki tukazakunywa imbogo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekere nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba murugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
We labor to excel is our motto. Long live Bonnie Conceal.
Hello, Bonnie Conceal viewers. Once again, I welcome you to your dearest channel, to your dearest TV at Bonnie Conceal Girls Vocational Secondary School. We are located in Isinjiro district in western Uganda. It is a girls' school. Our focus today, we are going to look at the Bonnie Conceal girls. They must tell us what do they like about their school.
Bonnie Conceal is very wonderful, and what inspires me the most at Bonnie Conceal is the way Bonnie Conceal girls behave.
First of all, I like the discipline of the girls of Bonnie Conceal. Take a look on the respect they give to the teachers and the fellow students too.
I find Bonnie Conceal a home away from home. Our head mistress, she's one of the best head teachers in Africa. She parents us like a mother.
Sister Dr. Mary Gladys Kachopi Amoti.
Come we labor together, come we excel together, because here at Bonnie Conceal, this is the spice of Africa. That's what I can talk about Bonnie Conceal.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo bashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntkozesa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabona basa kushabaroni ya fizi ubwo n'amashomero agacejumbire muri ge basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju district barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo nurse nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo nurse extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itenda cyo handisiwe mu bwijire omuminisho yo bwegesi nemizan kangire na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwo beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju nshanju ni 5 nshanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Twakuretera ishomero Nyamurungi Light Secondary School Nyabubare Bushenyi District nirya bojona bishiki kandi ni dena boarding ine unib center na license ya ministry yebyo bwegese bamaziro bwire buringwa bari gukora job bigezo ibya sine ya kana na sine ya mukaga omuri Bushenyi District bine library na laboratory birya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese otebirwe na computer lab kandi bibyona nibiwera beji okwikaja amashomo gabo nishangwa umugombora eya Nyabubare omuri Igara West bakine emyanya musine yo kubanza okukasine ya mukaga iwe tire simu uyetunjira umwanya noto mushanje ina 3 5 5 nemwe 30.
kurukayo umutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumuzamo na namakuru agacenshwire ageshwekeki cyabukuje tuyimwe Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited bakwatireho ba memba babo ababeje babo bakozereje ebigezo bye cyamushanjo abazire basima sakweje ahubwo kubakwatiraho butosha na no kuhagire byo bwegese
Abachabukujtu umche Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited omurubare ntungamo bakwatero ba memba babo barukabeji baba memba baba kozire kurunjo mbibuzo byicamushanje biherize kushohora ebyo koreso mu mashomero
abakozi b'PROE
twateraho kurga arina kukarana nabwo kurgeni matukatira hanso inga tukatiriwe maximum bango komara mukaga kungana n'abagambiriye mu Sacco yitu nekunda kureba mu myumbati yamukwatiraho twabagaramo ubuyanja
nenkora yitu buri mwaka kugira ngo ba members bitu tubakwatire abana babo abakuba bagaruka mu mashomero senior 1 abakuba bakozireje om P7 umwaka ogu tubere tukwatira abana bakozireje kuruga aggregates ina kwika aggregates 8 kandi twatunga umushango abana bakozireje munonga nambwene zo twabahebirabo binji munonga twabasima kandi ko kumanya Sacco n'umuco witu kugira ngo principle ya mushaje ne tugira ngo tugarurizeho ishaji aba members bitu
abazire basima Cyabukuju Sacco abo kubakwatero no kusima beje kibari kugira ngo nekitero muhimba abandi no kutamamani
kandi nekizibu hamu chamani kuwaka kuna bashabire sente azanani nyere sente nyingi tibangariza nyuma esente bazimba miliyoni 15 nkanye umukazi tibagira ngo ibinere bikiriza bapereze sente bazipereze myaka wonka nasima no mu grobo basi makakwatira ikintu cy'amani azobwirwa ko kafere rwiba inesa honi ine bintu byinshi wonka mukakwatira
yarasima management na executive ya Cyabukuju aho kutwegumisereza kitinga cyerebaga uno mwana wawe wo kubanza tumusiniya kandi unga muzara yewe agafurete na yuni baheza message tugire tuze kuzara kwa bwe Cyabukuju
omukoro gwahiko habebembezi kandi bashaba bazire kushomeseza abana mu mashomera gubari kubasa kutari kwebonabonesa
nece kiyoro kikorwa umuntu tunga mu kikorwa cya kuvyuka iki akacitse mama muraha twateka gate musaragara gate bakajya ngo tumangoro memba cya kujuwenga abe no yarashobora wana mugumu abije tugumu
twarpa tusima management because kuroza gukora ninga mukamotivate ngite members ubyebera ko twakuvira tusima tuyira amatama kandi tubashabira umugambo ko tashobya abojeye
waza kujoininga kuba member mu Cyabukuju Sacco no yetaga emtware network ntwantu kwetagaho bushano bubiri bwa passport photos twetagaho na photocopy yendanga muntu kugira ngo tumanye umuntu gutwatasiyo mu Sacco na rugahi kandi natura musereha
Cyabukuju tuyumche Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited neshangwa Rubare Town Council District ya Ntungamo kandi inamatajana agari mu Rubare Main Branch, Ruhama Branch, Kashenyi Branch na Nyanga Branch. Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Webare Anita Atkunda twagumizamo n'amakuru district ya Kabarore etongwizeho project ya Climate Smart Agriculture egenderire okwera abahinji hamwe na nabarisa okusharura cyango okurwanisa empinduka y'ugwire hamwe na no kongera ahantasya eyabahinji hamwe na nabarisa kutongoza project eji kukorirwa hambuga nkuru eza district ya Kabarore.
Project eji bataka jitongwize abebembezi ba Kabarore babandize kwegisa abantu kwerukora ombyanga byabo konkana bajangwa abantu tubakatungire mwete okujeta bamu.
Government has given us so many alternatives. If you are Mcheke, join PDM. If you are Mcheke, join Yoga. If you are Mcheke, there are so many government programs. PDM and whatever.
Uganda Climate Smart Agriculture Transformation Project naija kumara emyaka mukaga kandi neshajwa government ya Uganda kurabiro Ministry y'obuhinji n'oburisa hamwe n'obujubi bakwatanise na National Agricultural Research Organization na National Animal Genetics Resources Center and Data Bank.
Kurora progress rundi project ye kankaha kandi kurora ebicumbagire biziremu babimara hututa and kurora twagenda tuta maiso nkoko tuli mukwota ya kasatu mu mwaka gunu gwa byensimbi abiri 2025-2026.
Kabarore nemwe ha districts nkaga na mwendo mu ihanga ryona aho project eji eriyo netebo mu nkora.
Ati project yenu nkokekane ekora buli district bundi region bakageha enterprise rundi ekintu ekishobora abantu bakwetanira muno. Hano mu Kabarole tukagenda for 4 value chains. Ekibiremwa tukachuzinga mu coffee omwani kuli mu omwani. So the project is going to support coffee. Magana twinaho ente ezenyama na ente ezamata. Then that is one value chain between beef and dairy. Then twinaho ne njoki, kulise njoki na beneficial insects, it's quite a beneficial insects which we call black soldier fly.
In climate smart agriculture ni kijura abantu bajijumbire konka ikiri kuteganisa no kugira ngo kijura eri good for coffee konka bakatugira ngo tuzo mu livestock farming, but people have made groups and they are ready to start. Only the challenge is abantu batinire co-funding age abantu kutaye sente zabo tubakachitegereze kureba ngo basa kutaye sente zabo then the government bahereze project.
Arthur Nzeyimana omuhezi wa mukuru w'abakozi hawa district ya Kabarore ashabira begisa babahinjo mu district okutamomani kureba ngo bamanyisa abantu ha project eji okwenda ngo bajetabemo.
$1 million plus. Now that means 17 are falling off. How many group members have 2 acres of land to go into livestock? So that is why your skill becomes important.
Now it's time for work. It is time for real work. Ezo groups za kozero mugwire wa karuru yutekereza rawa masira karuru. And as the office of the RPC, we are ready to be on the ground, and we shall be on the ground and find out nguriya these groups zero.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.
Webare Jonan Singwire twagumizamu na namakuru bwanyuma yirinduro ry'enyamishwa erya Queen Elizabeth okutahirwa omwato gurukumanywa nka Karemanjojo aba bakatunga obushagici okuruga omushitongore echa WWF okutandika kugukura abantu bakurengana na nabatura kandi we Faith Atuhire akejunisa erisho ry'omutano yatandika kosya amakara omubiti ebyabatura barukukura.
Ahansi ya project kumanywa nka Climate Adaptation and Protected Areas kapa ejenderire garuza by'obuhangwe byasisikire hamwe no kumebye bicuruho abatura baheriri induro rya Queen Elizabeth National Park nbahebwa umurimo gukura omwato gw'entahirizi ogurkumanywa nka Karemanjojo barikutunga kasimo karinganire. Faith Atuhire n'omwe abatura aba konka wakakoreso mu gishogu yashaba ibitebye birukurwa mu irindureri okotya mu makara
kabiremu batandika kukakura na burenda kubabire bakakura bite biryomwe twashaba kaba community bagira ngo tushabe twazayo twashaba bagira ngo tugume tushenyeye nko kuzuguza abandi bakaba baguze konka nyona bamwe group yanjye twasharamo kugira ngo reka kose n'amakara turebe abo kureba obuguma buryo mu kataka twayosya amakara gaguma katandikira ashaho ntwarebere n'iceka yaguma netemba bareba oburozi bwago twaika ahantu twarushanje.
The long droughts have shifted the fire regimes. Long droughts have caused certain vegetation to disappear, certain tree species to disappear, while other tree species have been able to modify themselves to fit in the changing patterns of the climate. So one of the key species that we are managing is the Dicrostatis, which became invasive. It is a naturally occurring tree in Queen Elizabeth, but because of the long droughts that have been happening and the changes in fire regimes, this tree developed characteristics that caused it to be persistent amidst all. It can withstand the long droughts, while other tree species or plants can disappear. For it to withstand, it sheds off all the leaves and it remains standing.
Ogu nabipakira ha motoka bitwara omukaye omuricanga bukameyara kubyokyeza nko kitari kwiciriza ubwo kokyeza amakaro mu marindiro g'enyamishwa nangwa n'okwosya amakaro kutwariza hamwe ogw'eco mutano nakoresa tekinologiya y'omutano okwosya ebite by'okubyihamu amakara
abakumanya Queen Elizabeth mu myaka ya kare munonga ekairi paka ey'obwerere ey'okwemerera okaranza buri hamwe wona eyine ebikooko byingi bikurya bikutambura bikubyama omwanya gweno gubyakunda konka kwizire nahabaho empindahinduka y'obwire twatungamu ebitahirizi ebyebiti ebitutakwenda omu paka ahizamu ebibakweta ngu invasives nare ebiti ebitutakwenda ebitakuribwa bikooko ebikubyahirize tibikuribwa bikooko kubikwiza biryo obunyasi bw'ebikooko byokubere nibirya bikuryetingaho nk'enju mbwenu omwanya gwena gutwara ate ebikooko bibura ekibyarya byaheza bigenda biruga omwanya tuhendera tugizireho ebizibu n'abatayi bitu omu myanya eyotorwire paka
asaba nakora gurupu omwami Philip yankonsidaringa bantasya omu WWF
tekinologiya egi kumanywa nka improved basic earth mound killing nehweraho butatuntumura mwiko mu bantu kandi n'amakara garukurugamu waba nogahemba nago tigarukutuntumuka mwika
amakara kuri uko kushisha obuhangwa niturinda obuhangwa abo kuba tukure biti nituba ntwenda hamereho obunyansi obundi enyamishwa zibonaho kutura kandi twe n'abantu abo tukutura nabo omwikano gukwera omwanya abo kugira ngo tukatahebe byoma bite by'omutindo tushwekera kimwe tanuro omwanya ogumana gishohoro mu kasamasi tokura muzanwa na complaininga nari hino muntu oguku geraki
so nko muri icyo kitongore ekitukoragana na WWF kandi nsima WWF abo kugira ngo nayo kiciriza approach yitu nka uwa yo kugira ngo tukozese abantu abari organized abari registered nka community based organizations then kugira ngo nibo bija twahemera meji
ahabwa tekinologiya egi eyahirwa b'ekitongore kya Food and Agriculture Organization FAO nagira ngu emuhwerire okwerebererana bekaye emyaka mingi ehingwire ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority kitwire n'oburemezi bw'obutabanguka hagati y'enyamishwa n'abantu kandi abebembezi nibagira ngu buri wiika nibatunga emishango eri hagati y'igana kuza hari 200 kandi enshonga egi neyegikirwa enyamishwa ezo kubera ekyokurya hamwe n'aho kutuura ahabwa TV West nde era akiza
webare el akiza habwa amakuru ago nobasa no kutukuratira aha social media handles zitu aha YouTube aha X aha Instagram Facebook hamwe na TikTok oyonjere okureba ebiri kukiraho nazagaruka mpumure ukace ningaruka n'amakuru agandi.
The management of Plus 2 High School in Bushenyi informs the parents, the learners, and the general public that first term 2026 will commence on the 10th of February 2026. The office is open from Monday to Friday for those that wish to seek admissions in Senior 1, Senior 2, Senior 3, and Senior 5. The school is located in Nyakabirizi, Bushenyi district. For more information, please contact the head teacher on 0772 006 426 or 0703 069 869, or you can call the MD on 0782 489 111.
Oino mukoro nk'embaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM n'emikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rw'ensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omuri Mbarara City okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hata no nitano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito tuengo muri burenge rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'omurembe.
A
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka erikyasingirayo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikaca higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramu ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakaciro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanye biri kuciraho note mushanju ibiri kada na mushanju ashatu nibiri mukaganemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugeri izoba abantu bange tibaregaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ine chama chayo muhute katochi niyerya hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses. Netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 9 9
Chunchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chunchumura kabozo tuntumure stressi Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband Komora chukunywa cha kabozi multivitamin drink Chukutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichukuyamba ho kwigura misi Chereta manu masyo mbashija hamwe n'abakazi Nendijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink Otuntumura chubaro na stress Echo kunywa cha kabozi multivitamin drink Nichukorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited Chamibwa UNBS kandi churuhombi pimo bya milliliters magana 120 Omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya birukiraho 0702 15 81
Burukunyo chikopo cy'umwana gwa Uganda ni kutandikiraho umusiri umutindo ni gutandikiraho kusharura shoromenje mazomwana eziri kutukura kandi zikuzire aha kubeza takuzire ni sharo umutindo nentasya aha mwana gwa waheza kusharura rindo umutindo yaniko mwana gwawe no buyonjo ahantu ndubare ubutandaro narahatira siminti kandi utaniko mwitaka yanjara kurunje umwana gwawe kandi utagurunda aha kuba wagurunda ni guhumba kiguretero kushara umutindo warinda umutindo nuba warinde ntasya na nukure ko umwana gwa Uganda umukatari kensiyona umwana gwa Uganda nugwa mutindo oguru kwesibwa obutumwa obu ni bukuki bwa ministry y'ibyo buhinji enyamishwa n'obujubi
Gongo Country Hotel and Culture Center presents Valentine's Dinner at the Eclipse Monument with a special performance by Aziza Zian. Dine in love from 5 p.m. Platinum access is only 200,000, which comes with dinner, prize award, welcome bite and drink, and a bottle of wine. Gold, 150,000. Dinner, Valentine bite, and a welcome drink. Accommodation access is 400,000 platinum. A couple room with dinner, a bottle of wine, bed and breakfast. And gold, 300,000 a couple, double occupancy room, bed and breakfast, and exclusive of dinner. Beautiful music by the 12 Keys Band. For more information, contact us.
Nyikiriza nkwanjurira ishomero rurunje ry'omutindo Exodus College School Wakiso hihi na Wakiso Town Hoima Road ona erevo kandi bine center number Exodus College yinagandi mashomero gari hasi yago Mirembe Exodus Senior Secondary School na Exodus Kinder Care and Junior School abeje mifariso baragishanga hishomero ebyase curite ni guruguru ishomero riri ha musinje gwe kanisa na madina gandi baragacira buri nyikiriza ababurenje rwizoba babigurire office mu kibuga mbarara aha Amazon Building Fro yo kubanza umwaruro gwa kabiri room nambi 12 gamba nabo mu office 0 mushanju mwende 2 kinana nemwe inshanju 15 0 mushanju 00 ashatu neina kinana na munana kinana ne 2 ukwandika beji kuri kugendo meisho
New Vision aha myaka 80 bakuretera makoma butunu live on concert bwanyuma y'imyaka 25 bakaririrwe aba makoma bagaruka kutetiro camani eco kweshongora no kwisa urwa katanu ebiro mukaga byo kwa kashatu omwakogu aha Rukororo Independence Grounds Tera Star 25 okugura tickets yahashinje mitware 5 aha bwabona 15 aha bwa VIP 25 ahabwa VVIP wayende meza tera not mushanju 58 chenda na mkaga 11 mkaga na mkaga tariho kuguruza ticket aha miryango utakaburaho makoma live on concert Bishagicire Pacific Events Lion Records
St. Julian High School Gayaza twinira umwana wawe ubwegese bwo mutindo okurwo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga abwa arts na sciences abeji nibagobero mu laboratory yitu eri mu buri kimwe na library yo mutindo eri kushongera abana okwika kurunje bigezo twine nemishomo yebye mikono abeji bari kwekwatiramo bakatungo kumanyira hamwe n'imyoga yo kwebisaho manya music dance and drama hamwe n'ebyemizano nitubitahesira okuretera beji okuguma bina magara marunji no kweyesiga ebyombeko byitu byombekirwe kurunji okurinda jabeji no kubaho mwanya gobugwaji gwo kushomera mu kurunji nk'abaryo muka turiyo ntwandika beji okurugo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga tera esimu note mushanju mukaga 55 note mwenda 13 ninga note mushanju inamushanju note 5 30 note mushanju
Best friend wa fe MTN yo ya dala gamba ti best friend MTN yo ya dala nyo
tutandikide Kampala wa mwaka mulamba
twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente zo ziba nyingi nnyo
sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga star emu mukaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van nawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo
St. Michael High School Rugazi ni ishomero rurunje ery'omutindo kandi riri kwesimisa ni ishomero rya gavumenti ahansi ya USE rya musinje gwekerezia nerya dena boarding niryakira bojo n'abishiki nirishomesa science na arts ona A-level bine library y'omutindo computer lab ninunji eri mu buri kimwe classrooms eziri kumara kandi ez'omutindo nibashomesa bari kutomu nkora nka curriculum okweri kwegesa bine projects nkorutoche okurise mbuzi empunu kandi omubyemizano tino uri kubingana aha district abashomesa batendekirweje ebishere by'ishomero nibibasibwa bashanje Rugazi Rubirizi ninga baterera asimu noti mushanje 2 Ready to be entertained?
We've got you. GoTV's got more shows just for you.
That's right.
More movies?
Yes.
Jackpot. More kids shows? Of course. And more football than anywhere else.
No doubt about it.
Yes, we've got more. And we've got you. Pay for your current GoTV package and we'll upgrade you to the next highest package. Get more with GoTV. At home or on the go with GoTV Stream. GoTV. Love it.
Hey! Makobore High School rukunjiri. Ernishomero eryabojo bonka. Eri barukushoma barukurarayo. Bine ona erevo. Nibegesa arts na sciences. Bine computer na science laboratories.
Ubuzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru. Administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi. Ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesibwe mice nibaresibwa kurungi. Ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey! Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba w'omugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi g'obureberezi obwa Kigezi Diocese oburukwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas. Ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 82 nkaga na mkaga hatano nina makumyana.
Yuko mbutuma bw'abashubuzi twagumizamu na namakuru agacencurire agicika cinto cya maheru yagombora ya Nyabushike mu district ya Ibanda nemwe hamagombora gine ebyo bwegese bicurukubi kandi habwembereji umunyishengero wabo akwatireho abejabo abizire umwidara ryo kubanza nko muringo gumwe ubwo kutera abando mujinya.
Okurujirira hari mukuru w'egombora ya Nyabushike okutunga abana batano mu idara ryo kubanza bubire buryo buhanguzi wagerageranisa n'emyaka hingwire.
Mazima simere habwo kuba umugombora yona tino mu masomero abiri. Kandi etsi akakora abana anana musanzu umbana anana musanzu abana batano biziro mu idara ryo kubanza abana anana basatu bizo mu idara rya kabiri umwidara rya kasatu yizaho umwana umwe.
Omnyishengero wa Ibanda South John Paul Ninksima okusima rutambwe orutirwa mugomboro region byobwegise akwatire habakozere kurunja mbibuzo bye cyamushanju no kutera umuhimbo abakiriyo mu mashomero.
Ubwiro bunagire mbwebembezi ukashanga atine n'umwana no makwizo mpasibeti mugomboro yo nagambe n'abazire twakore nkiko twagamba nabeji nkabatayiro mu mashomero twayihayo babiri omwe babiri bashatu
abana bakoraje n'abashomesa kurarahare bishazika ubundi bakitaka mu kwija abana ubundi bakicera bakashanga bashomesa batakashikira amwanya bwo kurarahare kibaretera kufurwa ubundi buhereza.
Abana aba bahirwe mfarasi ebitabo nebindi okubayambaho kutandika kushoma siniya yo kubanza kandi babyakire n'abazire babo. Omugani kaga division ya Bisheshe omuri Ibanda Peter Agaba ohereze kusinga entebe y'obunyishengero habo Ibanda municipality yakwatira habeje 8 abatunjiri idara ryo kubanza al St John's Primary School.
Onarebo wanyu ninga sonarebo witu omurungi okuko yaraganise okukwatira abana ba P7 n'abarakore first grade ari kubakwatira hari kubafunira imifarasi. Imifarasi ni yeji twagireta betusaba mu byakiri.
Nisimu mwami agabafita abo kubasa kutoraganisa abana barakore grade 1 kubahereza imfarasi kandi akashikiriza kandi ubwatakabire na MP mwentu ina masiko uyatandika kore cyatakabire MP kuyakwa yabire MP umbwizwire nabasakiriza gukora ebikushiraho.
Obuhezo bwayakirwa abazire babo kandi omuhezi wa bwana mukuru ahabwa parish ya Kagongo yashaba abandi bebembezi okumureberaho.
Ebyo nibyo bintu ebitukwenda omubebembezi abitutorine naruhanga abandi abariza aratwe okuraganisa bakaherezayo ebintu nkebi. So ninsima aba TV West
amasemerwa gonyine rizo batinkarebaga akube kitinka kirebaga ombanda banje baheriza ninsima honorable agabapita
gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
Webare Timothy Mushabe babakundi no kwetorora ensiyona bari omahisa nyungu ago kujaguza ekiro cyabo ekireki nikibaho borobori 14 ebyo kwezi kwa kabiri buri mwaka obwe barukwijiko mushikirire Valentino owafire arukufera mu izina rya rukundo.
Ekiro cha Valentines nchimanyisa ekiro cha rukundo owabikiriza barukwishuka omwikirire Valentino owafire omwizina rya rukundo. Abakundine nibagururana ebihembo okoreka kuba rukunda abantu babo aho murimbara abashubuzi bategerize izoberi okora kasente okurwo muri yabo abarabe nibagurura abakundwa babo arwa mukaga resabitage.
Akakira kiturimu numana kabakundine kujana abakundine no mukazi no mushija no wasa surprise wawe tata wawe munywana wawe nangwa no muntu wayangine nawe outrokweta x no wasa kumsurprisinga
haro nabatandikira okugura emhendo terukushana okurgira muntu ekiwaza kugura
no funa gift omutwaro gumwe no efunira gift na sweet za 10 ebi muri teddy bears mwena baryo maravu abine banywana banyu abakunda kusurprisinga abazire
bokuboine shinji urukumi rwawe mushaho tokabura kusurprisinga mukunda wawe kwabaretera kimwe muri ahagati ya 10 kurugaha 10 kugara ahamtwari 10 nofuna ecumuri ebyetano biro ebya mukaga ebya mushanju ebya munani kurugaha shinji 10 narwo
benjo mbashubuzi baguzire byabakundine bimyaka yona abo kuba mu rukundo y'amazima teine chikomo chona
etera za botozi eza seti yona otakabura echwaherezo mukunda wawe yanaza murumuka vuba hiwa mpakinjira ahagati y'emitwaro 8 na n'emitwaro 3 n'esheka aho notunga boto eyokwenda twabaretera bingi twabareteraho na bwa bags zabishi zabakazi ebibyona za bags zo kwata handbags zona twaziretera kimwe ahagati y'emitwaro 5 ahagati y'emitwaro 8 aho notunga bag yokwenda
obwahati hasigare biro bibiri byonka okwikakiro h aba TV West ni Senyomo Gideon aho murimbara.
Webare Senyomo Gideon kandi abakundine ninjira rwe kwa soteruho twazo makuru agibye mizano club ya Arsenal neja kuritana n'abatabita ba Brentford ekireki ahari shaitano konkanye kiro mu mpake za Premier League. Manchester City esinjire Fulham na goli 3 ahari 0 kandi yo Sunderland yasingwa Liverpool na goli mwarosha.
Nunes whipped in towards Haaland, it breaks for Semenyo and